Okay, so maybe you've started some new program of exercise or you're practicing something else that's improving you in some shape or form. And every once in a while, you think maybe I can take a break from this. I can ease off on what I'm doing because I'm doing so well. And yeah, and as we all know, that doesn't always work. So here's something to keep you committed to the goal of improving yourself in whatever way you're doing. So start with the karate chop. I choose to stay committed and I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to stay committed and I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to stay committed. I've made some decisions to improve my life, my career, or my health. And there are things that I've been doing to help me get better in different areas of my life. And I choose to keep doing these things. I choose to stay committed and I choose to completely love, honor, and accept myself. I choose to stay committed. I choose to stay committed. I've made some decisions about things I can do or I can stop doing that can improve some part of my life. And maybe I'm feeling really good about the results. And maybe a part of me is saying, I can ease off. And we know that's just an old part of me talking, being frightened about the changes and wanting to get back to my comfort zone. And I'm not going back there. I choose to stay committed. And maybe there's a part of me that's saying I'm not getting the results that I want. And maybe I should give up on this. And I choose to clear that way of thinking. I choose to stick with this. I choose to get better. Staying committed is a gift that I give myself, and I deserve it. And as I stick with it, turns out it's a gift to others because my improvement in any area of life benefits others. So I choose to stay committed, clearing the temptation to give up, all of this temptation to give up, all of this temptation to cheat on my commitment. Maybe just not doing a few things are okay. But history has shown me those little things turn into big things, and I won't be fooled by that again. I choose to stay committed. I choose to stay committed. I deserve to reach my goals. I choose to stay committed. I deserve to reach my goals. My goals benefit other people. I choose to stay committed. I choose to stay committed. Okay, let's take a deep breath. You deserve to reach your goals. It will benefit so many people, and you deserve to improve yourself and your life. I'm rooting for you. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.